Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can reverse an audio on the CapCut PC app. So for instance, you have a video and you want to just reverse the audio. So you actually have to reverse the video first. So press the reverse button here. Wait for it to reverse the clip, and then you're just going to right click and select the extract audio. You're then just going to delete the clip and you'll have the reversed audio, as you can see. But if for instance you only have the video, so you only have the song, I'm just going to randomly select a song from here and you want to reverse that but you're not able to just reverse the audio, simply select any image that you can add, I guess. It doesn't have to be a great image. Then just select the image and the audio, create compound clip, and then here you can reverse it. I'm not sure if I think if I undo the compound clip it won't reverse it, but if you want just the MP3 file, once you've exported it, just export it as an MP3 file and the image won't be included. So if you just want the audio, that's how you do it. So as you can see, the audio, well, as you can hear, the audio is reversed, and just export it as an MP3 file here. So don't click this, but just export the audio. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!